Banks have changed the way they operate due to the pressures of the digital transformation, leveraged by fintech's new digital services offerings. Thus, we have seen some market trends. The blockchain is a reality on the world. There are currently over 30 banks already testing. Blockchain technology has the potential to improve efficiency in executing lengthy and complex processes, while also increasing the level of security and transparency. Security is a top priority for banks, yet an insignificant amount of IT budgets is dedicated to information security. Investments in the right technology will allow banks to not only avoid breaches, but also quickly remediate threats. New business models are promoting global best practices which may require significant changes to many banks' current operating models. IT must be prepared to meet these requirements so focus can return to more strategic initiatives. Most financial institutions are interested in the cost benefits and flexibility of the cloud and is actively looking for ways to address the risks and meet regulatory restrictions of the cloud while leveraging what cloud services offer to the businesses. The advance of the spread of the internet, mobile and social platforms create a new scenario in the workplace. All employees want, regardless of generation, better quality of life, and arguably flexibility at work. Work is increasingly collaborative. We are increasingly within the business processes. We interact with the administrative staff to submit a reimbursement of expenses. We can see that in recent times banks are remodeling your workspace to suit this new form since reforms in their offices as technological solutions to bring the digital age. With these trends and reality that we have in our day-to-day, banks face some challenges. Compliance and security. Agile. Continual cost reduction. Digital workplace. With these challenges we encounter in our day-to-day where we want to be. Increased revenue, reducing operational costs with manual activities, optimizing the hybrid infrastructure and faster introduction of new services to the market. Risk reduction, increasing transparency, visibility, stability and reduce the complexity of the changes, reducing the use of custom scripts and especially keeping the hybrid and heterogeneous park updated as regulatory standards. Best efficiency, breaking the dependency on IT, reducing the time spent in resolving errors, and time spent learning new tools. A new workplace started with a collaborative portal with knowledge sharing to accelerate the adoption of digital assets and services, increasing employee productivity. With these challenges and the desired state, BMC can help in some approaches. Multi-cloud management makes all the best clouds with products and services to tackle their most pressing challenges of hybrid infrastructure. The undercosts, visibility, performance, security, automation and migration. Cognitive service management is the next generation of service management, enabled by digital automation, artificial intelligence and machine learning, which drives new levels of agility, productivity and efficiency. Digital business automation joins infrastructure, data and current applications to modern digital technologies. Accelerate the delivery of services to business, accelerate the development of applications with source code. IOPS leverages machine learning, analyzes big data technologies to reduce mean time to repair and drives the digital transformation. Manages the IT infrastructure performance and highly distributed multi-cloud. The SecOps is the perfect collaboration between IT security and IT operations to mitigate risk effectively. The SecOps BMC solutions enable its prioritize and correct critical vulnerabilities teams and systematically address compliance violations through an integrated and automated approach across your environment with multiple clouds. The digital transformation solutions from BMC enable IT to be a catalyst for change and would like to work with you on your journey. Thanks for your time, and look forward to working with you and your team.